Welcome to the Commission Gorilla Bonus Page Builder version 3 walkthrough and demonstration video. When you first log in, you'll find yourself on the home page with a variety of quick stats, including the 5 best and 5 worst performing pages by clicks and conversions, along with some general stats so you've got an overall idea of how your pages and campaigns are actually performing. The next option along on the menu is for creating a new bonus, and if we click on this, you can see we have 4 options, from a classic layout to a simple image or graphic to a blank template where you do it all yourself, and then there's the 4th option, which is to have an invisible block which only shows up on the delivery or download page. Let's go with an image or graphic as an example to start off with. And once the editor comes up, all we need to do is give it a bonus name. So we're going to call this video cheats because that's what this bonus is for. You can also add it to a category. And if you haven't got any categories set up already, then click on the plus icon to add a new category. So in this case, I'm going to create a new category for video related bonuses and click on OK. That then makes sure that this bonus will appear in the video category. You can change the delivery block color. And most importantly, you can click on the upload button here to upload your graphic or image. Then you simply browse to where you have that image on your local computer, choose it, click on open, and that will add it into the bonus block for you. Then scroll down to the download details, which is what will appear on the download delivery page. And we can click on the download link to pop in our file download URL to make sure that people can actually download the file from the bonus or thank you delivery page. So pop the URL in here for your zip file or whatever else it may be. Once you've done that, click on OK, and you can change any of the other details in this WYSIWYG or what you see is what you get editor box here as well. So you have full control. So that's how quick and easy it is to set up a new bonus using an image or a graphic, but I'm not actually going to save this one. I'm going to cancel it because I've already got this in my bonus library. Before we move on to look at the bonus library, let's click on new bonus and add another one. This time I'm going to choose the classic layout and actually put in more details using the WYSIWYG editor. Now I'm going to start by giving this bonus a name, which in this case is IM Business Models Guide. Next, I'm going to create a new category and add it to this new category because I'm going to create a series of bonuses for this particular category. Then I can change the block color and delivery block color if I want to, but what I'm actually going to do is move on to the upload button and upload my image. Again, simply navigate to where that image is stored on your local hard drive, select it and click on open. Next, I'm going to go to the title area and pop in my title, and I can then use the WYSIWYG editor to format this how I want. So I've simply made it bold and increased the font size and changed the font and underlined part of the title. Then I'm going to go to the body area and pop in a bit of text, and again I can use the editor to change the formatting and make this look a bit nicer. And again, I pause the video while I quickly change the font size, move some things around, bolded one of the lines and added a bit of formatting. So very quick and simple to use the WYSIWYG editor to get it looking exactly how you want. Don't forget, you will also need to scroll down and click on the download here link and make sure that you pop in your URL for the file that you're delivering as a bonus so that that will be on the bonus thank you delivery page. Once you pop that in, click on OK, and again make any updates to the actual text that will go on the delivery page as well. Once you're happy with all your changes, simply click on save and that will be added to your bonus library, and then it will bring up my bonus library including my new bonus. Now if I scroll up and down this page, you'll notice that I have quite a few bonuses already set up in my bonus library, so I've got a lot that I can choose from and select for my different bonus pages. And the new one that we just added appears right down at the bottom here, IM Business Model. I could however scroll back up to the top and choose the category Mat1, which is what I created for that particular bonus, and if I choose that instead, it will only list that because that's the only bonus in that category, so you can quickly narrow down to your different selections and categories very easily. However, let's go back to all categories. The actions that you have available over here on the right for the bonuses that you create are to preview the bonus. So if we click on this, it will show us what the bonus looks like. It will show us what that bonus block will look like on our bonus page, or we can preview the download page block. So this is what it will look like on the download page, or you can go back and edit the bonus, or you can delete the bonus. Now, if I go back to the done for you 10 pack, you do get 10 done for you bonuses included to start off with to get you up and running immediately. The next option we have is to create a new page where we're starting from scratch. However, it's often easier once you've got some pages set up to simply go over to My Pages and clone one of your existing pages. That way you're not starting from a blank page and it can be a lot quicker to get up and running. Next, we'll clone an existing page to show you how easy it is to get a page up and running and make changes to it to tailor it to your needs. But first, we've also added some example ready to use template pages for you, which are listed in the built-in pages drop down here. The first one is simply a best practices example page, which again gives you a page that you can start from that's not a blank page to get you up and running quickly. Then we have some for live products that you can start promoting as soon as you become a Commission Gorilla member, including Page Dino, Commission Gorilla, Chit Chat Chimp, Conversion Gorilla, Feedback Fox, Genius Lander, Post Gopher, and Product Dino, as well as a webinar replay template. And for any of these, if you want to take a look at them, you can choose the one you want, then simply click on preview, and it will pop that page up in a new browser, so you can then scroll through and have a look to see what it looks like and how it's laid out. So you can see this is a good example of a standard bonus page. If you want to use one of these pages, again, simply choose which one you want to use, then click on clone, and it will open it up so you can then start making changes to it and tailor it to your specific needs. So now let's clone one of my existing pages and have a look at how to set up and edit a Commission Gorilla bonus page. So the first thing that happens is it lets us know that it's given this page a cloned name. So what I need to do is click on OK, go over to the settings, choose page settings, and pop in a real name that I want to use for this particular bonus page. Then we need to pop in our affiliate link. Then we can also put in a redirect URL in case we ever pause this campaign for any reason. Then there's an option for custom code, which is a pro feature. So I'll cover that in the pro video. The mailgate option, however, is in the standard version, and this allows you to force people to opt in before they get taken through to see whatever it is that you're promoting with your bonus page. So it's a way of building your list at the same time, and it does integrate with all the standard autoresponders, which we'll have a look at in a moment or two on the integrations page. So that's the page settings. Then we have some pro features, which I'll cover in the pro version video. Then we have SEO features, which is simply to set up things like the page title and meta description and any SEO keywords that you want to add. Then you've got the option to change the page colors, and you can use a background image URL if you want to add a background image instead. Then you've got the bonus delivery page, where you can decide what the file name is for the delivery page, and you can pop in a split test monkey code if you have split test monkey as well. But let's scroll back up to the top and have a look at the different blocks that are available for building our pages. The first type of block we have available is a text block, and again you have a WYSIWYG editor, so this is an example of one text block. If I scroll down, here is another one. You can put in whatever you need to, format it however you need. Then you've got spacer blocks to make sure that your content is well formatted and nicely laid out. So you've got an example of a couple of green ones here and a transparent one. Then we've got image blocks, allows you to put in a block image or graphic, and video blocks as well, so you can put in any videos you need. Then we have the bonus blocks themselves. So let's scroll down and find a bonus block. Here's a bonus where we've got bonus number 1. If we wanted to change this bonus, all we need to do is click on it, and it will pop up with our bonus library, and all we need to do is scroll down, find the one that we want to use to replace it with, click on select, and that will swap that previous bonus out and put the new one in for us. Then we have call to action buttons. If I scroll back up, you can see one of these here, and if I click on it, you can see that we can edit all the different elements of this call to action bar, and this will use that affiliate link that we put in earlier on the page settings. So you can update this to make it look and feel however you want to suit your particular bonus page. Now I do have countdown timers on here because I've got a pro account. The countdown timer will only be available if you upgrade to the pro version, I'm afraid. Then we've got social sharing buttons for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. And there are some more options under the power-ups as well, where you can get additional add-ons for extra features if you want. But let's actually scroll down to the bottom of the page, and let's click on a bonus block and add a new one in. Let's just pop it down the bottom here. When you add a new bonus block, all you then need to do is click to select the bonus, and again up comes your library, and you can narrow it down by selecting one of your categories. Then all you need to do is pick the particular bonus that you want, click on select, and it gets immediately popped into that new bonus block. That can then be moved up and down the page to appear wherever you want on that particular page. So we've now added a new bonus block. If you change your mind, or if you want to remove any element from the page, all you need to do is click on the little dustbin icon, and that will remove this from the page when you click on delete, and it's gone. Once you're happy with your page, scroll back up to the top, click save and exit, and it will pop up with the details for this particular page. And this is where you get the link for the page that you're going to use to give out, and the delivery URL or thank you page that you're going to use for once people have actually purchased through your affiliate link and you want them to get the bonuses, both of which are hosted for you. The two extra options on here to have a self-hosted version that you can download and to export this page are both covered in the pro version of Commission Gorilla version 3. And that's really all there is to getting your own bonus page set up and running with Commission Gorilla. Using the built-in bonuses and template pages, you can have your first page up and running in just minutes. There are also full tutorials, guides, and help FAQs under the Get Started option at the top here to make sure that you're totally covered on training and getting up to speed as quickly as possible. Having said that, it is pretty intuitive, and you'll probably be able to hit the ground running just from watching this demonstration video. So the last thing to look at quickly is the integrations. promotions, and if you do want to use the Mailgate option for building your list, then you can integrate automatically with any of these autoresponders. So that's a full walkthrough demo of how Commission Gorilla can build and deliver fantastic looking bonus pages for you in just minutes. And we look forward to you joining the family and getting more profits from every promotion you run. We'll see you on the inside.